아파트 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 아파트
welcome all of you to the grand opening of our Capiz Branch. So this marks a significant milestone not only for our company ADAMCO but for the community as well. We are excited to expand our reach and provide Roxas City with exceptional products and services as your one-stop shop agribusiness partner. Our Capiz Branch represents our commitment to growth, innovation, and most importantly, serving the people of Roxas City better. We look forward to building lasting relationships with all of you, our valued customers, and contributing to the Roxas City's agricultural growth. Thank you once again for joining us in the celebration. Here's to new beginnings and a bright future ahead.
ADAMCO. We are in ADAMCO.